Hello my dear students, how are you all? Welcome to day 42 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, so today we're going to talk about the solution of the mock test paper. You know me, I am Ankit Sir, coming here on our platform of Diksha Vedantu Foundation YouTube channel every day with a session on mathematics. Again, on our platform you're going to get session on science at the same time every day. What to do to help you with the revision of your boards examination, okay? CBSE class 10th. I hope this is very clear, okay? So today's session was question paper was given to you for mock test number 6. If you have not received the question paper, if you have missed out on that, what to do? So every day bacha on Sunday every Sunday we will release question paper in our WhatsApp channel. So for all the students who have joined the WhatsApp channel, the question paper will be given to you there, okay? Now how to join the WhatsApp channel? The channel's link is given in the description. Go ahead, join that. Question papers will be given on Sunday. So this week's also was given. And now I'm coming here with the solution. So clear, okay? Don't worry about the privacy and your data. We don't get any of that. We have to, you'll just be a member, okay? We will be sharing the content in that. You'll have no, you will be just receiving the content, feedbacks, or any other information regarding the sessions in the WhatsApp channel only, okay? So please make sure that you have joined the channel. Great. Let's look at the solution of trigonometry bacha. Now this will include all of it, even the height and distances part, identities part, your ratios part, everything will be there in this session. I hope you have solved the paper, so you'll know all of this. Let's see the question number 1, which is going to be the MCQ for your mock test number 6 on trigonometry. Okay, chaliye. Cos of alpha plus beta is 0, then value of cos alpha plus beta by 2 is equals to what? Have a look. We know this, cos alpha plus beta is 0 when I have alpha plus beta as 90 degree. Cos 90 degree is 0, right? We know this. So what is the value of alpha plus beta by 2? Alpha plus beta by 2 will be simply 45 degrees. What is the cos of that? Cos of alpha plus beta by 2 is what, bacha? Cos of 45 degrees, how much is that? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Answer is suitable. Option number A. Please have a look. Please have a look. Answer is 1 by root 2, option number A. Is that okay? Chaliye. Question number 2. First one was very easy. I have done this question in the session also. So I have taken some questions, PYQs from the session as well as your questions for the mock test. I hope this is okay. Let's have a look for this question. I have done this as well. I think one of the sessions that I've conducted. 4 sin theta minus cos theta upon 4 sin theta plus cos theta. We're looking for this value, right? This is what we're looking for. Provided that we have the value of 4 tan theta as 3. Do one thing. Divide both the numerator and the denominator by cos theta. Let's just do that. Okay. Can I do this, bacha? Of course, I can do the same operation in both sides, numerator and denominator side. It will not make any difference. When I do that, I get 4 sin by cos. How much is that, sir? Simply 4 tan theta. Please check. 4 sin by cos is tan theta. Same way, cos by cos is 1. Cos by cos is 1. 4 sin by cos again is 4 tan theta plus cos by cos is 1. 4 tan theta is 3. So please write from here. 3 minus 1, 3 plus 1 makes it 2 by 4. Answer is 1 by 2. Answer is 1 by 2. Option number C is the most suitable answer, which is 1 by 2. I hope this is clear. Please have a look. Okay, good question. This is a good question. That's why, even though I have done this question in the session, I have taken it over here for you to solve it from your side in the mock test. Clear? Okay. 3 tan x is 4, then the value of sin x plus cos x. Is it same, sir? Not same, bacha. It is not same. Okay? It's like a NCERT problem. Please check. Tan x is 4 by 3, right? 3 tan x is 4 means tan x is 4 by 3. Yes. Can I take this ratio to be 4k by 3k? Will it make a difference, bacha? Of course not, sir. We can multiply and divide by k. K will get cancelled. 4k and 3k. So if I take a triangle like this, where this is the angle x degrees, okay, then tan of x means what? Opposite. So perpendicular by base. So basically my perpendicular value is coming as 4k, and compare here, base is coming as 3k. Any doubt in this part? Please check. Please check. This is 3k. Okay, now once I have the value of p and b as 4k and 3k, I can find the value of h also. You know the Pythagorean triplets? Please check. H will be coming as root of b square plus p square. So root of 3k the square plus 4k the square. How much I'm getting? 9k square plus 4k square. How much is that? Oh, sorry, 16k square. 9k square plus 16k square is 25k square, giving me the value of h as simply 5k. Length, no? Only possible we will take, bacha. So simply 5k. Please check. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Yeah. Simply 5k. Great. Now once I have h, can I find and sine and cos? Please check. Sine x plus cos x. Let's do it. What is sine x, bacha? Sine x is going to be perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is going to be what, bacha? Please check here. Base by hypotenuse. Okay. What's the perpendicular value, bacha? 4 by 5. So 4k by 5k plus, please check here, base by hypotenuse. How much is that? 3k by 5k. Please check. LCM is same, na? So 5k is LCM. How much is that? 4k plus 3k makes it 7k by 5k. Cancel k and k. Answer is going to be simply 7 by 5. Option which is suitable over here is 7 by 5. So option number C. Option number C. Please check it out. Looks reasonable to all of you. Very simple. Yes. Okay, sir. Question number 3 is done. Moving on to question number 4. If sine theta is 1, then the value of half sine theta by 2 is what? Okay. Sine theta is 1 when, bacha? Sine theta is 1 when? You must have solved this question, right? Sine theta is 1 when theta is 90 degrees. So theta by 2 is 45 degrees. Theta by 2 is 45 degrees. Okay. So 1 by 2 sine of 45 degrees would be what, bacha? Tell me here. 1 by 2 times of root 2. Sine 45 is how much, sir? Root 2. What is my answer, sir? 1 upon 2 root 2. Option A is suitable. Please check. Option A is suitable. Option A is suitable. 1 upon 2 root 2 is correct answer. I hope you had fun solving these questions. Very, very simple. We are moving to assertion and reason. First 4 questions are clear, right? Great. So assertion A, the value of cos theta is 5 by 3. Not possible. Why not, sir? Remember the cos theta graph. Cos theta goes maximum to what? 1, sir. Sir, you have not seen the graph, sir. It's okay. You've seen the table, right? Check here. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, and what we have, bacha? We have next 60 degree and we have 90 degree. Remember this value? Cos 0 was 1. This was root 3 by 2. Okay, which is coming as almost what, bacha? Please check here. 0.866. Okay, if you want. Root 3 by 2 is what? 0.866. How much is that? 1 by root 2. Okay, so simply root 2 by 2. Okay, how much is this? 1 by 2. And this is 0. Check here. Maximum value is what, bacha? 1, sir. So it cannot exceed. 5 by 3 is more than 1, sir. 5 by 3 is more than 1, sir. Which means it is not possible. So assertion is true. Cos or sine cannot have a value more than 1. Clear? Remember this statement. In a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the largest side. Correct, na? That's the reason. Please check. If I draw a right angle triangle over here and erase this graph of cos theta, not required for us right now. We'll learn it next year. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C, let's say. Okay, angle theta is there, na? So whatever it is, let's say this is perpendicular, this is base, this is hypotenuse. If you write cos theta over here, bacha, tell me here, cos theta if you write, so it will become B by, 1 second, B by H, right? It will become B by H. Please check. base by hypotenuse. Okay, when you do that, check here the value. What I'm getting? 5 by 3. Compare 5 by 3. What are you getting, sir? You are getting B is what? 5 by 1 second. 5 by 3 times of H. What it means? It means B is larger than H, right? Correct? B is larger than H, which is not possible, sir. B cannot be larger than H. It means hypotenuse cannot be smaller, right? It means incorrect statement. So reason is also true, assertion is also true, and reason explains assertion, because they are saying that hypotenuse is the largest side, sir. Okay, so option number A is the correct answer. Please check. It's a very good question. No calculation, but very, very good questions based upon a concept that you learned in grade 6-7, right? When you learned the first time Pythagoras theorem, when did you learn? So whenever you learned that, that concept is being used to solve a question in a board's examination for your CBSE grade 10. Chali, question number 6, bacha. Assertion is this 1 minus cos square into sec square in the root equals to tan theta. Let's solve this. Please check. Assertion. I can just take this LHS part and multiply inside. I get what, bacha? Please check here. Sec square into 1, it will be sec square theta. And cos square into sec square, how much is that? Minus 1, na? How come, sir? Cos theta equals to 1 by sec theta. Right? Cross multiply them, bacha. Cross multiply them, what are you getting? Cos theta into sec theta is 1. So cos square into sec square again will become what? Product of this will become 1 only, right? We know the identity over here, if you remember. Sec square minus 1 is what? Sec square minus 1, second identity, tan square theta, sir. Great. Root of that will be tan theta, sir. RHS. Assertion is true. Assertion is true. The value of the reason, if you check now, the value of the expression sin 80 minus cos 80 is negative. Okay. Let's check here. Again, we'll write 0, 30. Please check. 45, 60, and 90. Right? For sin theta first. This is 0. How much is this? 1 by 2. How much is this? Root 2 by 2. How much is this? Root 3 by 2. How much is this? 1. Okay. Means the number 80 will come over here, na? 80 degree will be over here, right? Something between 0.866 and 1. How much is root 3 by 2? I just said 0.866. 1 means something like 0.9 something will be there for 80 degrees, right? For cos, bacha. This will be 1. This will be root 3 by 2, so 0.866. This will be again same thing, root 2 by 2. This will be 1 by 2, so 0.5, and this will be 0. Check here. So cos 80 is coming around what? Between 0 to 0, between 0 to 0.5. Correct, na? And what about sin 80? Sin 80 is coming around 0.8621. Yes or no? Please check here. Sin 80 is coming around 0.8621. Whatever it is coming, we don't have to figure out the value. Just check this tentative value. And cos 80 is going to be 0 to 0.5. Which is bigger? So sin is bigger. What we are getting? So sin 80 degree is greater than cos 80 degree. Now bring this thing over here. What I'm getting, sir? Sin 80 degree minus cos 80 degree is what? Greater than, nothing is left, so 0. But what we are getting here? They are saying this is negative. Difference of sin 80 and cos 80 is negative. We are getting what, bacha? More than 0 means positive, right? It means reason is incorrect, sir. Sir, we have to do all of this. No, bacha, you can see, you don't have to do all the steps. If you can see from this here, more, this is very big value, closer to 1. This is the small value, 0.3, 0.2, like that. So obviously the difference will be positive, na? 0.9 minus 0.2, how much is that? 0.7. So positive, right? So don't have to worry about all of that. But if you want, this is the step. Sin 80 is greater than cos 80. Bring it over here. Sin 80 minus cos 80 is greater than 0 means positive. Answer will be reason is false. So reason is false. Where is it? True? Or reason is false, right? Option number C. Assertion is true. Reason is false. Option C is the correct answer. Please have a look. Excellent, excellent question. Very good question. Had fun doing it, right? All of you will agree. Challenging little bit because both assertion and reason was very good question because they had to be explained only when you know the concept properly. One was on based upon Pythagoras theorem. This was based upon identities. Please have a look. and ratios. Okay, so this is it. I hope this is clear. I hope all of this is visible to you. Next, I have a very exciting announcement for all of you, bacha. What is that, sir? That is about the DSET program. Okay, we conduct it every year. This year we are also conducting. It's called as Diksha Scholastic Aptitude Test. So what we do in this, we help our bachas, we help our students from grade 10 to make a decision, make a right career choice for themselves to choose. Let's say they want to choose science, they want to choose commerce. How do they come up with the idea? Whenever they are talking with their friends, the family, colleagues, whatever, like like people around you, you're not sure about it, what you should choose. Or if you're taking a decision because things are easier that side, my friend is taking commerce, so I'll take commerce. Sir, I can't do maths, sir, I can take commerce. I can't do bio, sir, I'll take arts. So this is not a right decision. This is not a healthy decision, bacha. Don't do it like this. You will struggle in your career later. Okay, sir, there's more money in this field, I'll go that way. Incorrect. You can make money in any field, bacha, if you are working properly and consistent and you love your work. Sir, nobody loves their work. Yes, bacha, you do. Okay, because you have to do the work every day, right? So you can't be at a place where you don't love it. If you don't like it, you can't be at that place every day. Okay, I'm coming here why? Because I love my bachas. Okay, I'm here because I like to teach you, all of you. Okay, I like to interact with all of you. That's why I'm in this profession, right? So same way, to choose the right career for you, which you are more passionate about. Okay, again, this can change in your future, once you become a professional. But right now, what is lying inside you, you get to decide after taking this program. How you do that? So first of all, to get enrolled, the link will be given in the description of this video. Do one thing, visit the link, fill in the details and get enrolled in this program. Connect with our team. They'll help you book a slot on Sunday. Again, Sunday, because you are available on Sunday right now. Okay, so 3 hours, give us the time at the offline campuses of Diksha. You have to visit the campuses, bacha. 3 hour session you have to undertake. Once you do that, I'm very sure that all of your answer will be very, very clear. So it will help you decide whether you should go with science, with mathematics, with bio, with commerce, with arts. Okay, or if you're someone who is very clear with the understanding, I want to do engineering, want to do medical, sir, then this will help you understand your competency level, that where you stand in the preparation for JEE, for NEET and for KSET, and how can you improve your preparation, where you stand in the position in this competition right now. Okay, so I hope this is clear for all of you. Now again, you might ask, how is this possible, sir? What do you exactly do in this program that is going to help me decide what I should choose? Okay, I'm telling you again, we will not choose it for you. You will choose after this program. You will be very clear with what you should be doing. Okay, how? I will talk about that at the end of the session. Right now I'll get back to question number 7 that we have to solve for the mock paper. Once I tell you about the structure of the program, you'll be very clear that yes, actually it makes sense, and I'm gonna take this and do certainly better in my preparation. Okay, let's get back to the question number 7 that we have. Okay, check this out now, bacha. Subjective question from identity section. Have a look. Paper. It's a paper question, bacha. CBSE 2024 latest PYQ. Prove this equals to tan theta plus cos theta. Okay, we can use identity for both these terms. Please check. Take LHS. Excuse me. Sec square is what, sir? 1 plus tan square theta. What is cosec square, sir? 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus 1 is 2 tan square theta plus cot square theta. Please check. 2, I can write it as 2 times of tan theta cot theta. How come, sir? Because tan theta is nothing but reciprocal of cot theta, na? You can cross multiply these two, right? So please check here. I can write this, so nothing is there now, so I can write 1 over here. 1 will be written as tan into cot. Is that clear? Okay, not clearly visible, sir. Let me just change this part. 1 second. Clear, right? Okay, so 2 tan theta cot theta. What about this, sir? Simply tan square theta plus cot square theta. Now check this out. You have done the question. This is a square, this is b square, this is 2ab. What is the result for this? A plus b the whole square. What is my answer? Please check. My answer is going to be root of tan theta plus cot theta the whole square, which will lead me to root and square. Cancels the effect. I'm getting tan theta plus cot theta Okay, okay, this is nothing but equals to my RHS. Please check RHS, right? Question is done. Simple problem, 2 marker, 3 marker, something like that can be asked. Simple question. Okay, so I hope you scored marks in this as well. Okay, question number 8, if tan plus sine equals to m and tan minus sine equals to n, then so that this condition is also verified. M square minus n square equals to 4 times of root mn. A very good question. Let's solve it. Okay, I hope you had fun solving this question. Chaliye. So I'll take first thing LHS bacha. I'll take first thing my LHS. What is that? M square minus n square. What is m square? So please check here. This thing the whole square. So tan theta plus sine theta the whole square minus tan theta minus sine theta the whole square. Okay, great. M square minus n square. Take the whole square over here, sir. Tan square theta plus sine square theta plus 2 times of tan theta into sine theta. This was the just first bracket. Okay, for the second bracket bacha, there is a minus sign over here. Write it like this: tan square theta plus again sine square theta, but we have here minus sign. It means minus 2 tan theta sine theta. Correct? Now open this bracket. What are you getting? Please check here. But before I do that, I can cancel it over here. No, tan square, and this is what? Minus this. Cancel, sir. Tan square here and minus tan square over here. Same way. Sine square over here, minus sine square over here. Cancels again. Please check now what I'm getting. What I'm getting over here is 2 tan theta sine theta. Minus and minus makes plus. So plus 2 tan theta sine theta. What is the result, bacha? The result LHS is coming after simplification as 4 tan theta sine theta. 4 tan theta sine theta. 4 tan theta sine theta. Is that clear? Simple enough. Okay, now let's look at the RHS, sir. Chaliye. What's the RHS, sir? Very simple. 4 times of root mn. है ना? Write the brackets together. M is what, bacha? Tan theta plus sine theta. First one for m. For n, tan theta minus sine theta. So this is very simple, sir. A plus b, a minus b. Correct? Check this out. A square minus b square. So tan square theta minus sine square theta. Okay? 4 times of. Write this. Tan square as sine square theta upon cos square theta minus sine square theta. Okay? Minus sine square theta. Great. 4 is outside. Take here LCM. But before I do that, I can take this. 1 second. I don't have to do like that. What I'm getting, bacha? Take sine square common, sir. What I'm getting for the first term? 1 minus cos square theta minus 1. Please check. So I will continue over here for the RHS. What I had for RHS as 4 times of root. I'll write this thing again. Sine square I had taken common. I have 1 upon cos square theta minus 1. Please cross check. Same thing is written over here and here as well. Okay. Now I'll take the LCM, bacha. Sine square theta remains as it is. Take the LCM inside the bracket. Cos square theta is here. 1 remains as it is. 1 is there. So make the equivalent fraction. It will become cos square because of the denominator. Right? Yes. Now we have to make the equivalent fraction. Right? For 1 it will become cos square theta. Please check. 4 times of. Please check. What I'm getting? Sine square theta. I write this cos square theta over here. Please check. Please check. Sine square over here and this cos square is the denominator written together. What is left over here? 1 minus cos square theta. Have a look. 4 sine by cos. Sine by cos is tan. So sine square by cos square is tan square theta, sir. I'll repeat. Sine by cos is tan. So sine square by cos square is again tan square only. 1 minus cos square. Identity, sir. First one. Sine square theta. 1 minus cos square, sir. Identity. First identity. Sine square plus cos square is 1. So 1 minus cos square is sine square. product, right? Root for the square, I can remove the square. So tan theta and sin theta, which is nothing but equals to LHS. Please check. 4 tan theta, sin theta. Okay. So hence what we have done? We have done RHS is equals to LHS, sir. Please check, sir. Yes or no? RHS equals to LHS. Was it a good question? All of you agree? Had fun doing it? Of course, sir. Of course, sir. We like the challenge. Have a look. This is done. Okay. Yes. Question number 9. Let's solve this question number 9 also. Prove that sin A minus cos A plus 1, sin A plus cos A minus 1 equals to 1 upon sec A minus tan A. Now, you can solve this question by sin and cos also, but I can see one thing is RHS has sec A and tan A. Sec A and tan A means I'll try to make everything over here also in terms of sec A and tan A to make our life easier, nothing else. How you make sec A and tan A? By dividing everything by cos. Check this out. First I'll write LHS again. So I have sin A minus cos A plus 1. Check here. Sin A plus cos A minus 1. What I'm asking you to do is divide everything by cos. So sin A by cos, cos A by cos, and 1 by cos. Same way, I have to do the same operation in denominator also. Then only the effect will be cancelled, right? Yes, sir. So cos A, and cos A. You can divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. It will not change anything. Now check out. Cos cancelled, cos cancelled. Okay. Now what I have, numerator, please check. This is one step. Okay. Sin by cos, sir, is tan A. 1 by cos is, sir, sec A. Please check, bacha. 1 by cos, this part is plus sec A, and this will become what, bacha? Minus 1. Cos by cos is 1, na? So minus 1. That's my numerator. What about denominator, sir? Please check. What I'm getting over here, bacha? I'm getting this as, again, tan A. What about this? Minus sec A plus 1. Now I can apply the identity, but there is no square over here, but for 1 I can apply. For tan and sec was the identity. Please check for 1. I have 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. It means 1 equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. है ना? Sec square minus tan square theta. So let's apply it over here in terms of angle A. So I write tan A as it is in the numerator. Okay. Plus sec A. Minus 1 I can write this as, please check, sec square A minus tan square A divided by the denominator as it is. We will not change anything over here. If I do that, I will not reach a single point. Okay, I am changing both na, so I will just keep one constant and change only one part. So only numerator I am changing, numerator. So sec A plus 1. Now check this out. Tan A plus sec A and sec square minus tan square A square minus B square. Sec square minus tan square has sec A minus tan A as well, and sec A plus tan A as well. Check this out. Sec square A minus tan square A has both parts, na? What is it? Sec A minus tan A times of sec A plus tan A. Yes or no? It means in this bracket I have this whole thing, sec A minus tan A and sec A plus tan A. I have this same thing over here, sec A plus tan A. It means I can take it common. Please check. Next step over here. Okay. 1 second. Step number 1 is this. Step number 2 is this. Step number 3 is this. Okay. So if I do that, have a look. I'm taking this step common, bacha. Tan A plus sec A. Please check. I'm taking this common. Okay. What I'm getting? Have a look. What is left in the first term? Only 1 is left, sir. What about this one? There's a minus sign, sir. In the bracket, what is left, sir? I've taken this part common, bacha. Sec A plus tan A I've taken common. What is left now? Simply, sir, sec A minus tan A, sir. Please check. Out of this x minus tan square, I have taken sec A plus tan A common. What is left, sir? Sec A minus tan is left. Again, denominator remains same. What is that? Tan A minus sec A plus 1. Check the beauty now. 1 second. The most beautiful thing. Have a look here. Minus sec A and minus plus, sir. So sec A negative, tan A positive and 1 positive. It means cancelled. I'll repeat. Minus and minus is plus. Minus sec A, so tan A positive, sec A negative and 1 positive. Tan A positive, sec A negative and 1 positive. Getting cancelled. What I'm left with? Tan A plus, what is it? Sec A. Okay, tan A plus sec A. Great. Now I can do one thing. 1 by sine by cos and cos by sine. Okay, let's do that. Sine by cos plus 1 by cos. How much is that? Please check here. I'm getting 1 plus, sorry, sine A plus 1, right? 1 plus sine A by cos, right? Great, this is it. For the LHS, we can use this. We can use the identity also, sec square minus tan square. We can use the identity to get the RHS part, sec square minus tan square also. But we'll see with sine if it's possible. What's the RHS, sir? Please have a look now. What's the RHS, sir? 1 second. The RHS is 1 upon sec A minus tan A. 1 upon sec A minus tan A. Have a look. What can I do about this? Okay. I think we should use the identity only. Let's just do that. Okay. 1 second. So I'll just do one thing, bacha. That's easier for us. Why to write one more step over here and make things difficult and challenging for you? Okay. Now I'll just take this. This is my what? This is my LHS. Okay. This is my LHS. Please check here. I've taken from LHS, reached here. Okay. This is my RHS. So let me write the LHS again. What is LHS, sir? Sec A plus tan A. है ना? Please check here. Sec A plus tan A. Now we know one thing. Sec square A minus tan square A is what, sir? 1, right? What does this mean? It means sec A minus tan A times of sec A plus tan A equals to what, sir? 1. What we have in LHS? Please check here. So I'll just keep this as subject and take everything other than this part on the right hand side. So I'll keep this over here. What is that? Sec A plus tan A as it is. What I'm getting? Move this from here to here. So will come in denominator sec A minus tan A. So what I'm getting, bacha? I'm getting this part my LHS as sec A plus tan A equals to 1 upon sec A minus tan A. Please check here. 1 upon sec A minus tan A, which is equals to what, sir? RHS. Hence proved. Please check. Please check. Clear? Please have a look. Very, very simple. Okay. Just what we did, we simplified the LHS. Okay. Converted everything into second tan after writing the identity for 1 in this form. Okay. What we did, we got rid of the denominator. We ended up with only tan and sec. I've used the identity once again. Please check here. To get the value of sec A plus tan A as 1 upon sec A minus tan A, which is equals to the RHS that they have given. Simple. Have a look once again. From here. Yeah. All of this is visible to you. Any other doubt you have, let me know in the comment section. Let's right now move on to question number 10. A moving boat is observed. Now we are in the application of trigonometry. Okay. A moving boat is observed from the top of a 150-meter high cliff. So let's say cliff is here. Observer is here. This is the point A. Boat is, okay, let's say this 150 meters. Let's say boat is over here. Let's call this to be point B. Observer is over here, no? Means we will make what angle? Angle of depression, right? Okay. Away from it. It means it's going to move from B to, let's say, some point C. Okay. So angle of depression is going to be given. What they've given, we'll see now. So they have given the first angle of depression. Please check here. Moving away from the cliff. Correct. Now it's going from B to C, bacha. It's going from B to C. Okay. Angle of depression of the boat changes from 60 to 40. Means the first angle will be what, bacha? Please check here. This is 60, sir. Okay. And the smaller angle is what, sir? 45 degrees. 45 degrees. Okay. It means this is 45 degrees. How come, sir? Alternate interior angle. And this is what, sir? 60 degrees. Okay. 60 degrees. So what are they asking? They have given the time 2 minutes. They are asking speed. Okay. We know speed is what, sir? Speed is distance by time. Please check. What is the distance, sir? Distance, how much he has moved? The boat. B to C, right? B to C. It means distance is BC. Time is 2 minutes. 2 minutes. No problem, sir. Do one thing. Apply in triangle AOB the ratios. So triangle OAB we can write. Tan 60 we will write. Tan 60 is going to be what, bacha? Tell me. 150 divided by AB. What is that? Please check. Tan 60 is how much, sir? So it's going to be, bacha, tan 60 simply as root 3, okay, equals to 150 upon AB. So what I'm going to get AB as? AB equals to, please check, 150 by root 3. By root 3 meters again. So I'll just continue on this side. AB equals to, please check, 150 upon root 3 is there, na? What I said, rationalize all the time, okay? Whenever you have denominator as irrational, rationalize, sir. Especially in the ratios, please check. What I'm gonna get? I'm gonna get 150 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Cancel this, 50. So my AB value is coming as 50 root 3 meters. 50 root 3 meters. Clear? Alright, sir. What about BC, sir? But we know AC value also, right? In triangle OAC. In triangle OAC now. OAC, please check here. What is the angle? 45, right? So this is very simple. Tan 45 will be equal to what, sir? 150 by AC. What's tan 45, sir? 1. So 150 by AC like this. What is it? AC equals to, cross multiply this, 150 meters. Please check. AC equals to 150 meters. We are looking for what value? BC to find the speed, right? So write the speed, write the BC value. BC will be AC minus OAB. Please check. BC will be AC minus AB. How much is the AC, bacha? 50. AC is 150, right? AC is 150, right? What is AB, sir? Please check. What is AB, sir? AB is 50 root 3. AB is 50 root 3. Take 50 common over here, bacha. Okay. I can take 50 common, right? Okay. What I'm getting? 3 minus root 3. है ना? 3 minus root 3. Please check. That's BC value. Okay. So what I'm getting now? I want the speed, right? Speed is what, bacha? Please check here. Speed is going to be 53 minus root 3, correct na, will be divided by 2 minutes. So what I'm getting? 25. What is my answer? 25 times of 3 minus root 3. 1 second. Root 3 meters per minute. That's a unit. Don't forget to write the units. Your answer is this. Have a look. Okay. 25 3 minus root 3 meter per minute. If they would have given the value of root 3 now, we could have taken that also into consideration, but they've not given. No, we can leave it like that and we'll get the full marks for it. We'll get the full marks for it. Please have a look. Chaliye. Clear? Did I miss something? Okay, please cross check your answer. If you're getting a different answer than this, let me know in the comment section. But I think this is the right answer. Please have a look. 25 times of 3 minus root 3 meter per minute. Clear? Okay, moving on to question number 11, sir. A pole 6 meter high is fixed on the top of a tower. Okay. So tower, let's say like this. I have AB. Let's say I have BC as the pole. Okay, this is 6 meters. Pole is what, bacha? Please check. 6 meter. This is BC. Okay, BC is the pole. Okay, the angle of elevation of the top of the pole observed from a point P on the ground. Ground will be here. Let's call this to be point P. Top of the pole. So like this, है ना? Top of the pole like this. What is the angle of elevation, bacha? Please check. Angle of elevation for the top of the pole from the point P is coming as 60 degrees. Okay, and the angle of depression of the point P from the top of the tower means if you look from here, this point, top of tower, no, this is tower, right? This is tower, bacha. From this point, if you look, this is the angle of depression, right? How much is that they've given? 45 degrees. This angle is given as 45 degrees. It means this angle is given as 45 degrees. Okay, so we have learned till this part. Okay, now find the height of the tower. Let's call this to be H, and the distance of the point P from the foot of the tower means, okay, this also. Okay, chali, AP will keep, no problem. Now have a look. So apply in triangle PAB first. We'll do that. Triangle PAB. Tan 45 we will apply, bacha. Tan 45 degrees. How come, sir? They've given angle of depression, but they are what? Angle, they are alternate interior angles. Okay, so let's do this. AB is what, bacha? H, and what is that? AP. AP. 45 degrees is always 1. Tan is always 1. So H equals to AB. What I'm getting? AP equals to H. AP equals to H. Please have a look. AP equals to H. Is that clear? AP equals to H is clear. So you get AP. This also value is coming as H only, sir. Now let's apply in triangle PAC. Triangle PAC. Triangle PAC. Please check. Tan 60 degrees. What's the angle, bacha? Please check. The angle is 60 degree. The full angle. This one. This full angle is what, sir? 60 degree. Okay. The angle of elevation from the point P for the tower, sorry, the pole's top. So what is that going to be? Please check here. AC. Opposite what, sir? AC by adjacent. So AP. Tan 60 is how much, sir? Root 3. What is AC, bacha? H plus 6. What is AP? Simply H. Cross multiply. I'm getting this as root 3H equals to H plus 6. Move it over here. I'm getting H times of root 3 minus 1 equals to 6. Na? Bring this H over here. It'll become minus, right? Then you can take H common. So root 3 minus 1. What I'm getting H value as 6 upon root 3 minus 1. Please check. H is coming as 6 upon root 3 minus 1. I told you this. Whenever you are having this irrational part in the denominator, rationalize it. What's the rationalizing factor? What is the rationalizing factor? Root 3 plus 1, sir. RF is root 3 plus 1. Please check. 6 times of root 3 plus 1. How much is that? Root 3 square minus 1 square. How come, sir? A minus B and A plus B. Root 3 square is what, bacha? 3. 1 square is simply 1. H is coming as 6 root 3 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 3 is 6. Please check. H is coming as 3 times of, what is the root 3 value? You can write this over here, 1.73 plus 1. Right here 3 times of 2.73. You can write 2 also, not a problem. So what I'm getting, please check. 3 3 is 9. 1. 6 3 2 is 8. 3 2 is 6 plus 2, 8. So 8.19 meters. This is the height of the tower and the distance between the point P and the tower's foot. Tower's foot is A and the point P is the point where observer is. Okay, so distance between that is what? H again, because of the angle is 45 degrees. Okay, so I hope this is clear. So H is coming as simply 8.19 meters. 8.19 meters. Please have a look. Okay. All right. Yeah. So I hope this is clear. Moving on to question number 12. From a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower. Okay. from a point on the ground, angle of elevation of a transmission tower, okay, at a 30-minute, okay, there are two things, very important, very important. There's a transmission tower, okay, fixed at the top of a 30-meter high building, sir. So let's draw the building first. Let's say AB is the building. What's the height, bacha? 30 meters only, okay. What they're saying, the transmission tower exists on the top of the building. So this is the tower, bacha. BC is the tower, okay. How much is this? Check here. We don't know that value, okay. Find the height. We have to look for that. So this is tower, bacha. Let's call this height to be height H, okay. Now this is on the ground. Let's call this point to be point O. From a point on the ground, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of tower means bottom is like this and top is like this, correct now? Now, bacha, 30 and 60. So this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree, okay. What are they asking is find the height of the transmission tower, means you have to find the H value. So first apply the right angle triangle BAO or OAB. Please check. Triangle OAB. Yes, na? You got the figure, right? Tower is, been fixed at the building which is having a height of 30 meters. Angle of elevation, when I look from here, for the top of the tower is what? 60 degree. For the bottom of the tower, which is the top of the building, is basically 30 degrees. Okay. Triangle OAB. Check here. Tan 30. How much is this? Tan 30, sir. Please check here. AB, so 30 by OA. Please check. What is tan 30, bacha? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, sir. 30 by OA. Cross multiply, please. I'm getting this as OA equals to 30 root 3 meters. 30 root 3 meters. 30 root 3 meters for OA. Okay. Now let's look at the triangle OAC. Triangle OAC. Tan 60 we will use. Angle of elevation is 60. So what are we going to get? AC upon OA. Excuse me. H plus 30 upon OA. How much is OA, bacha? 30 root 3. Correct, na? Yeah. Please check here. Tan 60 is how much, sir? Simple or not? Very simple, sir. Cross multiply 30 into 3. How come, sir? Root 3 into root 3 will be what, bacha? 3 only, na? So 30 into 3. So 90 minus 30 equals to H. H equals to 60 meters. 60 meters is my tower's height. What is that? Tower's height. Please check. This is my final answer, bacha. Have a look. This is the answer, sir. H is 60 meters is my answer. Simple question. All of you agree? Have a look. Yeah. Moving on. Now, this is the end of your solution for the mock test number 6. As I said, I'll talk about the structure of the program, which will help you understand how can you actually benefit from it. So, structure is like this, bacha. 3-hour session on Sunday at offline campuses, Diksha. Okay, great, sir. How it is going to work? How to enroll? Link is given. Enroll over here, and then get in touch with our team. They will help you to book a slot on Sunday. That also is clear. So, second thing, the last most important thing is how to program that 3 hours. So, first hour is going to be we'll teach you something. So, for 1 hour now, we'll teach you a concept. A very important concept we'll teach you. Okay. Excuse me. Now, after learning that concept, bacha, you can, so it'll be a 45-minute session. First, we'll teach you in 45 minutes. For the last 15 minutes, you can ask your doubts as well. Means for 1 hour, you will learn something, then you're going to ask and clear your doubts in the same 1 hour. Once that is over, second hour will be aptitude test. You have to write an aptitude test Okay, now for the third hour we will evaluate your paper, what you have written the aptitude test for, and then we'll sit back with you, okay, and your parents. You can sit with our team of faculties and counselors, which will help you understand what was your approach to the problem solving, how exactly you looked at a question, and what was your thinking, and how you can make it better. Okay, so this will be all answered in the session only. Now if you have some other questions to ask about your program, about your studies, for your planning, for your 11th and 12th, whatever it is in your career, do one thing: mention all these questions, or keep all these questions in one place in a piece of paper, and bring that paper to the campus when you're visiting on Sunday. I'm sure that our team will guide you with everything. You'll get all the answers from our team, and when you're coming back from the center, you'll be very, very satisfied. I'm very sure about that. So I hope you can see the uniqueness of this program. Okay, now one more thing: if you wish to join us for the preparation of whatever you have chosen, whatever you decided, with the help of this program, then you get a very good scholarship in your admissions based upon your aptitude test that you've written, bacha. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Whatever the test you've written, based upon that test, when you're joining us, you'll get on spot scholarship in your admission. Okay, so this is clear. So this is very, very helpful for all the bachas. Please try to avail this. And we have only limited seats actually. We don't overcrowd the classes, so please make sure that you are available whenever you can, as soon as possible, on Sunday for 3 hours. Please wear offline campuses, Diksha. With this positive note, I am ending the session today. Okay, it was a fun session. We solved questions for the mock solution. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the paper. If you are somebody who has missed the paper, don't worry, please join right now, okay, to the WhatsApp channel that we are giving in the description of the video. Okay, once you join it, previous questions will also be given to you. If you want, you can comment in the video. We will again send the questions if you have missed something, and you can watch the sessions, solve the questions, and watch the sessions solutions, the mock solutions in the playlist for mathematics. Okay, please attempt all the mock papers, bacha, because when you study, that's not enough. You have to test yourself whether you're ready for the exam or not. How to do that? By solving more and more mocks. I hope this is clear. With this, I'm ending the session. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.